Again to my channel, this is Correct Bet. Concerning this same app that I'm telling you guys, do you know that this app also help to get you both into score, which is a go-go. It can get you basketballs. It can get you table tennis balls. It can also get you anything you want, any option you are looking for on football games. All you need to do, just have data. All you need to do is to have data. Download this app. You go to the search option. Then you will ask anything concerning football, anything concerning basketball, anything you want. Just ask this app. Any option that confuse you, that you want to play on that particular match that you want to play, just search on it. Just all you need to do, you go to search, check on based on football matches for that day. Then it will now tell you everything about that match. Then show you the time they're going to start and the best option you can play that particular match. It works for both football games, it works for basketball, it works for tennis. This app is wonderful. For example, you see this one now. This is both into score or normal match. Football games is this. See what I see here. Go games for today. This is what I type on the search concerning football. All you need to do, make sure you have data. Then you see the results he bring for me here. He said today's football lineup includes UEFA Europa League matches with notable features like these people: Galatasaray vs Tottenham, Olympiacos vs Rangers. You see these two teams, they play both teams to score, plus other ones I added. Just see it here. See it here. They play both teams to score. You see the app is wonderful. Can you see that? Okay, see the second one here now. See. Just see the way it predicts this one now. I just go to the search, open football option, and check everything I want to know about this matches for that day. See, I now told through the search on this app that it should help me list today's high scoring games and time. So the result to bring out like for today, high scoring potential football games include, now list them for me. When you read all this and you see all you have explained about this match, and these games all play very well. See it here. All play very well. All play very well. Over 2.5. All over 2.5. All. They even play both teams to score go. The only thing you need is to make sure you have data. You have megabyte. Then download the app. The app does not have expiring date. Just always check if the app need to be upgraded. Once it's outdated, just go to Play Store or Apple Store and then update the app. That's all. Once you have already gotten the app is already in your phone. You basically need to get your games every day, whether it's football, whether it's a basketball, whether it's tennis. Using it to get it. Just ask any question. You go to search, ask any simple question. Just simple question. It will bring results for you. If it's a concerning draw on football, they will tell you how that match is going to be. If it's a both team to score, ask on the search. Once you come to football option, or if you want to ask anything about basketball, go to basketball option. Then ask everything. It will explain it for you. This app is wonderful. I'm surprised on this app. This app is wonderful. All you need to do, make sure you have data. You will get everything you want. Especially now that tomorrow is weekend now. All the home matches is available now. So this app will help you to get anything you want on the football games for tomorrow, Saturday. Anything you want, whether on everything from any day from Monday to Sunday. You get anything you want on football. Once you have data, just make sure you have MB, you have data. Once you download the app, you will sign in with your name. Then the app is ready to use. There's nothing more. It's ready to be used. Nothing more. All you need is to make sure you have data. You have MB. After downloading it and sign in, have MB. It will help you any option you want to play on football or table tennis, whether it's straight win or draw or double chance on football. It will show you how to teams that you will use to play it. Once you bring out the teams, then you go to your favorite site, then look for it. The time will be listed there too, and will show you the league, so it'll be easy for you to go and locate them. For example, you see this one, it told you, see what you say here, UEFA Europa League, you see it. Then you now go there and search for it. You see these teams there and pick them. Very simple, very, very simple. It's not stressful at all. Everything is easy on this app. Like this one, I show you there, where you will see it, say Turkish Super League. You now see the time at 5 o'clock p.m. You see it. Anyone you ask, he will now show you the league where you're going to pick them. So now go to a favorite betting site and get them done. That's all. This app is wonderful. Honestly, this app is wonderful. I can work for any Android phone. You can work for it. And all those Apple phones, you can work for it. You can use it anywhere once you can access the app, or some of you can use VPN. If you are not in Nigeria, you can use VPN to download the app, and everything will be working perfectly there. You can use VPN, then choose the VPN on the location. You now choose VPN on Nigeria. You can download it here. Once you want to download it on your own country and it couldn't work, you can choose Nigeria as your location, download the app. You can be using your VPN to work on the app, get your games done. That's all. Just look for any good working VPN. You see everything will be working perfectly for you. Alright guys, this is Correct Bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you will not miss my video anytime I drop them here. Alright, see you on the next video. I will drop Zoom Soccer right away. Let's go.